Happy Tuesday morning, hopefully, or else you are watching this on Monday night as you get this in your email. We just wanted to go over this upcoming 4-day week and some of the changes that we made to hopefully kind of streamline our process a little bit more, make a few less Google Meets so that it's not such a struggle to schedule all those because we know you guys have a lot of different ones to get to. So we're really going to walk through this step by step of what needs to happen to really help you guys out. Okay, so the first thing, guys, is we've told you your email is super important. So here's an example of the email that's going to go out to you guys and I'm going to walk you through it. So when you look at the email that we send you, right, the very first thing is do your daily attendance in your email. Okay, check, we do that. Then watch the Seesaw morning announcement. That's going to be located in Seesaw in the announcements. And I'm also going to, this is going to turn blue, just like this week at a glance, because I'm going to attach the video in here too, just so it's in here as well. Okay, but it's also been in Seesaw every single morning, this video that you're watching right now. Okay, number 3, look over the schedule for today found in Week at a Glance. Any of these guys that are blue, that means they are linked. So you can click on them and they will bring you right to our Week at a Glance. Okay, so here's our Week at a Glance. So we are on Tuesday, April 14th. So here is the plan for today. Okay, we have our lit circles. This week's lit circles, we have fewer questions for you. I believe they're between 4 and 5 questions for your chapters per day. So we're just hoping that we get more details from you since there's far fewer questions. So we're not looking for one-word answers. We want a little bit more details or complete sentences from you. Okay, so you can look on here, Incredible Journey. You have your chapter 6 and comprehension questions. My side of the mountain, you are the group that is meeting today at 10 and 10:30 with Mr. Lund and myself. So if you are my side of the mountain through chapters 10, we are going to chit chat about this. Refugee, you guys are going to read through chapter 20. Again, thanks Maddie B for that online book so we can follow along with it. That makes it super awesome. And then Sign of the Beaver, chapters 12 through 14, and your comprehension questions. Again, guys, please remember to hit submit with your comprehension questions. We got a lot more of you turning those in on Thursday, and that was awesome to see. Okay, the next thing that we have, math. There is no math video today. This is IXL. You're going to do letter E, double E, sorry, 7, 8, and 15. Okay, so there's going to be 3 different lessons you're going to do on IXL, and you need to get to at least a 60 on all 3. But before you start, please don't forget to sign into IXL so it tracks your progress, because we will be going into IXL and then looking for who completed it that day. Okay, so it's just IXL, but it's working on area of a triangle, area of a parallelogram, and some volume things. So it's refreshing what we've been doing over the last couple weeks. Then the only other thing you have, guys, is your DARE video. So there's going to be one more DARE video for editing and revising. It's just going to give you some tips of what to look for, rereading your essay one more time, and then you are going to share your Google Doc with Mr. Lund or myself. Okay, and that is what's being sent to Officer Tessing. So you'll click the share link and you'll send it to either Mr. Lund or me, and we will forward it on to Deputy Tessing. Okay, so that's a look at our day tomorrow. Okay, so just lit circles, math, and writing. And then, of course, you always have your reading 25 minutes. Last week, we started to see some seesaws coming in with some book reviews. So that is great to see that we're finishing up some books. Okay, so that's that week at a glance when we click on that, right? Also in our email, it kind of goes over our week at a glance, short and sweet. Lit groups, comprehension questions in Schoology. There's our math, what I just talked to you about. Highlighted, please don't forget to sign in. And then our DARE essay. Then number 4, here's another one of those blue links, so we want to make sure to click on this. We'll be meeting with small groups today. Please take a look as the times have changed. So you're going to click on this, and remember that pulls up this sheet with our small groups, okay? And we have a lot of small groups happening, but if you've noticed, they've changed to just Tuesdays and Wednesdays now. We're not doing a Monday, Wednesday, and a Tuesday, Thursday. That was getting to be a lot for all of you to keep track of, and it was a lot for Mr. Lund and I to keep track of, so we're trying to minimize this, okay? So tomorrow, Tuesday, here's Mr. Lund's groups for 1 and 1:30. Remember, you just click and hover over here, and that's your meet that you're going to meet in. And then I have my groups at 1 and 1:30 as well. I even have one at 2 o'clock. Okay, so check over where your names are. Some of us have some individual meetings in the mornings too, so just kind of check over where you are at on this schedule. Okay, if you have any questions, let us know, but this is where you find your small groups. Again, these blue parts are where they're highlighted, and you can click right into your Google Meets. Okay, I know this is getting kind of long, but I want to make sure we really understand this week because we're starting to really cruise and it's awesome to see. Number 5, read your 25 minutes. And then finally, My Side of the Mountain meets today at 10 and 10:30, like I said. Look, it's blue and hyperlinked. That's awesome. So that means we can click right into that. That opens this, but remember down here in this tab, there's our small groups. Here's our lit circles. Okay, so we go through My Side of the Mountain. We're switching up who's meeting with what group. So Mr. Lund is meeting with a group at 10 and 10:30, and then I am meeting with a group at 10 o'clock tomorrow for My Side of the Mountain to talk it over. Okay, guys? So that is a look at our day tomorrow. Also, we have some awesome dress up days. You see that up at the very, very top. We have some dress up days like we did last week, and it was so fun to see you guys participating and dressing up. We're hoping to get Mr. Lund a little more dressed up this week. I think he can handle these days. Tomorrow is Jersey Day, so wear any jerseys that you have, even if it's not a professional sports team. If you have a jersey from Minnewaska, if you have an old jersey that maybe your parents have from high school, let's see some cool jerseys that you have. Wednesday, wear your favorite color, head to toe. So see if you can remember what my favorite color is and think of what I'll be wearing. Thursday is USA Day. Let's be patriotic and support our country. And then Friday, Laker Pride Day, like we did last week. Be as Lakered up as we can. Let's see if we can get head to toe Laker gear on. All right, guys? Any questions, please reach out to us. We're hoping that we can help with anything, and we're starting to get into kind of the groove of what we're doing. Remember, these blue links are what you can click right into, guys, and that will lead you to everything you need. Okay? Watch the video over if you need to. Reread your emails. Let us know how we can help. All right? Have a great Tuesday, and we can't wait to see you guys.